19. If x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, which of the following expressions is equivalent to x minus y divided by square root of x minus square root of y? So we have these options. And for these expressions, we have radicals. So we need to use the conjugate to simplify the expression. And the conjugate means applying the same terms with the opposite sign in both the numerator and denominator. We'll see that. So we copy the expression by square root of x minus the square root of y. Now we multiply times the conjugate. And as we said, the same terms of the denominator, so square root of x and square root of y, but with the opposite sign in the middle. So instead of negative, is positive. That's for the denominator, and the same for the numerator. Square root of x plus square root of y. And why? Because in the end, this square root of x plus square root of y divided by square root of x plus square root of y is the same, so it will become 1. It's like having 5 divided by 5, or any number. That's 1. 1 times the initial expression will be the same expression. Right now we can just copy the numerator, because we can simplify something from the denominator. So x minus y times square root of x plus square root of y divided by, and here we have to multiply the square root of x, the first term, with 2 of the other terms. The square root of x times the square root of x is the square root of x squared. Now for the second term, the square root of x times the square root of y plus the square root of x times y. So negative the square root of y times the square root of x, negative the square root of x times y. I'm just keeping the same order. And for the last term, negative square root of y times positive square root of y is negative square root of y squared. Now in the denominator we have positive square root of x times y minus square root of x times y. So these two cancel out. And we have x minus y times the square root of x plus the square root of y divided by, for this term, the square root and the square can cancel out. So we have just x, and the same happens here. The square root of y can cancel out with the square. negative y. Now, since we have a multiplication, and these are the same terms, x minus y and x minus y, so it becomes 1. 1 times this will be the same. So the final answer is a square root of x plus a square root of y. This is our final answer, which is option C.